Welcome to the BFDI Drawing Show, Season 1. Chicken. We'd like to take a moment to announce that all our food keeps blowing up. What in the actual world? Why'd you do the explosive Arby's commercial before I explode your Nikes? Because it's funny. Two's mouth is close up. This is chicken commercials of the Arby's things. I must wait on. What the actual word pencil? Why do you say that word from Horton hatches the egg? Because it's funny. Yes, Horton hatches the egg. It's an explosive book, and it's very funny. Yellow face, I'm going to punch you.